Hello, first graders. It's Mrs. Saylor. This week in reading, you're reading a story called Seasons. I thought we would get ready for our adventure today by listening to a song about seasons.
Here we go. 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 Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the spring to bring new life. Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the spring to bring new life. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. Here comes the summer with the warm breeze. Here comes the summer with the trees so green. Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. Here comes the summer with the warm breeze. Here comes the summer with the trees so green. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the fall with the leaves changing color. Here comes the fall with the climate getting cooler. Here comes the fall with the leaves falling down. Here comes the fall with the wind blowing loud. Here comes the fall with the leaves changing color. Here comes the fall with the climate getting cooler. Here comes the fall with the leaves falling down. Here comes the fall with the wind blowing loud. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer. Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer. Here we go. Seasons of the year. Here we go. Seasons of the year. Here we go. Seasons of the year.
Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that song. Are you ready to take our adventure in reading? Here we go. Today, we're going to talk about a comprehension strategy. Remember, boys and girls, comprehension means you're thinking about reading. Do you remember which part of your body you use to think? You got it. You use your brain. So get your brains ready and let's go. This week, you're reading a story called Seasons. Our comprehension strategy is cause and effect. Try those words, boys and girls. Cause and effect. The cause is the reason why something happens. The effect is something that happens. So you can think of it this way. The cause is why something happens, and the effect is what happens. When we are reading and thinking about cause and effect, we can listen for some signal words. Let's practice some cause and effect signal words. Because. Try that word, because. Since. Try that word, since. If, then. Try those words, if, then. So boys and girls, signal words can be used when you're thinking about cause and effect in your reading and writing. Let's take a look at some examples of cause and effect. Here I see two pictures. The first picture shows the cause or why something happens. The next picture shows the effect or what happens. So in the first picture, I am in an ice skating contest and I am doing a great job. So because I did a great job in the ice skating contest, the effect is that I won the contest. Let's take a look at this example of cause and effect. In the morning, I wake up and I'm tired and I drink some coffee. So the cause is I drink some coffee. Since I drank coffee, the effect is that I feel awake and ready for my day. Let's look at this example of cause and effect. Remember, boys and girls, the cause is why something happens, and the effect is what happens. In the first picture, I can see me and I'm very hungry. So the cause is I am very hungry. If I am hungry, then the effect is that I eat my lunch. So that's what happens. This week, you're reading a story called Seasons. Let's think about cause and effect with our seasons. In this picture, I can see a cause or why something happens. So if it snows a lot, what do you think would happen? I heard that signal word, if. If it snows, then what could happen, boys and girls? What do you think could happen? I could get really cold. So the effect is I get cold. Let's think about spring. In the spring, sometimes the sun is shining and it starts to rain. What would that cause? Sunshine and rain at the same time. So since I see sunshine and rain outside, a rainbow forms. So the effect of sunshine and rain is that a rainbow forms, or that's what happens. Let's think about summer next. Now in this picture, I can see the effect or what happens. I can see that I'm swimming with the fish. What do you think could cause that in the summertime? The sun shines a lot in the summertime and it can make you really hot. So the cause of sun shining and making you hot is that you might go swimming to cool off. So because the sun is shining, the effect is I go swimming. Who here likes to go swimming in the summertime when they get hot? Last, let's think about fall. I can see the effect here in this picture, or what happens. I'm raking a huge pile of leaves. Boys and girls, what do you think the cause could be for this picture? Why would I rake a big pile of leaves? We know in the fall, the leaves change colors and fall down. So that's a cause. Because the leaves change color and fall down, I rake them in a big pile. Boys and girls, this week when you are reading Seasons, I want you to pay attention for examples of cause and effect. You've done a great job today. I'll see you next time.